Alright, as we wrap up this phase of account registration, overview, and introduction to Ourbit, let me just use this few minutes to iterate some key important things that you need going forward. So before you start doing anything with your account, make sure your account is fully protected and secured. This is very important. Why? Because you don't want to wake up one morning and say that your account the money in your account is missing, or the money in your account has been wiped off. You understand? So these are the things you need to ensure you check that it is set before we start trading, or you start trading with your account. First of all, you need to ensure that you have a strong password. Make sure you're using a very strong password. Your password should contain numbers, alphabets, and special characters. That is one. Second thing, make sure you have your 2FA. Make sure you have 2FA turned on. As you can see right here, my 2FA is turned on. You can see it right there. So make sure you have 2FA turned on. And then make sure you set up anti-phishing code. You can see this is anti-phishing code. I already set up my own anti-phishing code. You can set up your own anti-phishing code. Then maybe you can do add device if you want to add, but if you don't want to add device, that is okay for you. Then also make sure, if you want to set a pass key, you have your pass key. You can see pass key right here. You can set up, but once you have 2FA, email verification, and anti-phishing code, you are good to go. You get. So make sure you have all of those ones set up on your account. Now you can see this place that says device management. Once in a while, you can come here to check the devices that are linked to your account. If you notice any device that you're not sure that it is your own, just remove that device. You understand? Just remove that device so that you don't end up maybe leaving device that you're not sure of, or that you don't trust. Sometimes you may log into your account with someone else's phone or another device, and then you forget to log out. Once you come home and you don't have access to that device again, just come to this device management and remove that particular device that you logged in from earlier. You get the point? So these are the things you need to make sure you have on your account set up or get ready before you start trading with your account or doing anything with your account. All right, this wraps up the introduction and settings of our account. In the next video, I will show you how you can fund your account, and then we do other things on that next video. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.